Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. A club is selling candles for a fundraiser. Each candle sells for $8. The club already has $35 donated. They need to raise at least $200 total to fund their event. Write and solve a multi-step inequality to find the minimum number of candles C the club must sell. Interpret the solution in a complete sentence. Now, let us work through the solution step by step. We let C represent the number of candles sold. Each candle earns $8, and there is already $35 donated, so the total funds equal 8C plus 35. The club needs at least $200 total, and at least means greater than or equal to, so we write 8C plus 35 is greater than or equal to 200. To isolate the variable term, subtract 35 from both sides of the inequality. On the left, 35 minus 35 cancels out. On the right, 200 minus 35 equals 165. We now have 8C is greater than or equal to 165. Next, divide both sides by 8. Since 8 is positive, the inequality direction stays the same. 165 divided by 8 equals 20.625, so C is greater than or equal to 20.625. Because candles must be sold in whole numbers, and the club needs at least $200, we must round 25 up to 21. Selling only 20 candles gives 8 times 20 plus 35, which equals 195. That falls short. Selling 21 candles gives 8 times 21 plus 35, which equals 203. That meets the goal. So the answer is C is greater than or equal to 21. The solution is C is greater than or equal to 21. In a complete sentence, the club must sell a minimum of 21 candles in order to raise at least $200 for their event. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.